Alright, here's a before look of grading. We've got a few obstacles to get around, but I just want to get her knocked down. If the ground cooperates, then I might put just a driveway worth of gravel right in here, and then that'll all be probably just grass.
Control. Every second slipping through my hands. Gotta rise up, make the final stand. Don't tell me to wait, don't tell me who's to slow down. I can feel the rumble from the ground. Yeah. This is the moment, this is the fight. Breaking through the darkness to the light. Unstoppable, a force you can't deny. Watch me as I touch the sky.
Alright, here's a finished look. It's still got a little bit of a pitch, but man, for the time invested, that was a good success for today. Very nice.